before we do anything else.
Look what I found in the snow.
What'd you find?
This.
Money.
Some money.
Oh.
No, I want you to practice it right now before you go and play your video.
Oh, well, I'm not playing Roblox today. You have to do it. You can? Well, I'll do it. I like playing Roblox.
You like playing Jingle Bells?
There's actually something.
Get over there and play it.
Are you taping me?
No.
Oh, sometimes it's like when you tell the camera to where I am. It's like you're taping me. And you've done this many times. Hey, remember that time where you taped me in the fridge while I was singing and I was like 7
Yes.
years old? Look at it do piano! Stop laughing.
What, Kyle? Look, are you excited? You excited?
She
Liliya?
was totally oblivious. The grandma. I wasn't videotaping you. His grandma was.
Yeah, I think we want to keep that before you.
I'm so glad. Happy
This is better than any birthday present I've ever had.
Merry early Christmas.
Wow, this is an unexpected day when I come back from school. This is normally like, oh, I'm so tired, I just want to go to bed. And now I'm coming back here and I'm like, this is the best day ever. And I had just such a good day at school too, so I'm really happy. This is like the most awesome piano ever. And this is really crazy. This was all hand carved. All of it. Every single detail. And this part, normally it would be plastic on a normal piano. And you can hear it, it sounds so old. And look at these words. Look at them.
You ready? You start on the C.
Okay, I'll do this and you want to go down a little?
I have to be here. I wish I knew how to play piano. We can play more beautiful things together.
Yeah, we totally should. That is our heart and soul video.
Now play Jingle Bells.